Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a very much needed update on Xi. Xi Games, but we'll just call it Xi in this video. It's a bit of an annoying name to name throughout the entire video, but doesn't matter. But yeah, no, some bad news. All right. Yesterday, what we talked about is that the situation for Xi really was twofold. It was quite ambiguous. All right. Because the thing is that yesterday, and I pointed it out, technically we formed a double top. But Xi, I mean, also technically was still on top of this trend line, was still holding the EMAs here. The EMAs were flat, so that's not bullish, but it's also not necessarily bearish. And we'd had some good news by DWF. But what I said yesterday, when the price was right here, between 1.06 and 96 cents, what I said is that both of these levels can break, and you need to wait for a breakout to know what's going to happen next. 96 cents broke. All right, so that for me is a confirmation that this is a double top. I still think, and I do want to stress that Xi long term is still great. All right, so long term I would still consider buying it. Market circumstances right now are not necessarily ideal. I mean, if Bitcoin falls down a bit lower, I think you can buy Xi at a lower price as well. But just in general, the thing is that, all right, we have some strong support here at 85 cents. That is the truth. And a bottom indicator and a 200 EMA. So technically we have found some support. But I mean, I think these statistics will kind of confirm our story. If you look at Xi right here, there's been just a lot of selling pressure. In general, the open interest, it peaked when we peaked right here the 15th of January. Since then, it has fallen, stabilized, and now fallen again. Actually dropped down to levels we haven't seen since in the middle of the bull run the 14th of January. So just in general, I mean, it's not looking up for Xi, all right? I would say because of all the hype and all of the news around it, I would say there is a small chance we'll recover. But the main level to break would be 96 cents again, all right? And what I think is way more likely, now that we've broken down below 96 cents, which makes it a stronger resistance level, what I think is most likely is that we'll get up there, find resistance, maybe hold 85 cents and 80 cents as support a little bit longer. But eventually, in these market circumstances, so as long as Bitcoin doesn't make a huge bullish breakout, which is a possibility, but I don't expect it, I think we'll drop down to 75 and 70 cents as well. All right, so that's what I think for now. Now, if for some reason, like I said, the open interest really starts increasing again and it jumps above $40 million, for example, then there's a chance that Xi does break above 95 or 96 cents here. So that's a possibility, but I doubt how high it could go. Maybe 1.15, but I don't see it going much higher. So there are bullish possibilities for Xi. Long term, like I said, I still think it's great, and I'm also still holding quite a lot. But short term, it does look bearish. All right, with that bearish breakout, I think we've had enough confirmation to assume that we're going to drop down lower. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me quickly refresh in my chart. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my premium and signal group if you're interested in that. But that's completely up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.